What could cause airflow into a crawl space or odd areas is usually duct system integrity failures that allow conditioned air to escape where it is not needed. Poorly installed or damaged ducts often have disconnected sections, open joints, or crushed runs that leak large volumes of conditioned air into crawl spaces or other voids. Start by shutting off the system and visually tracing every accessible duct run from the air handler to the registers, feeling for leaks with your hand and listening for whistling or rushing sounds. Use an incandescent or LED work light to inspect for crushed, flattened, or water-damaged flexible ducts and for gaps at takeoffs and boot connections. Tape or mastic alone will not be enough for significant gaps. For connections that pull apart or boots that are loose, remove any old tape, fit the metal collars fully, then seal with water-based mastic and fasten with screws or clamping bands. For flexible duct runs that are flattened, replace the damaged sections and support long runs every 4 feet to prevent sagging. If ducts run through or above damp areas, dry the area, replace wet insulation, and consider rerouting or raising ducts above likely water flow and debris to prevent future sag and collapse. When access is limited, consider hiring a contractor who can perform a pressure test with a duct blaster to quantify leakage and locate problematic sections with a smoke pencil or infrared camera for hidden breaches. 3 common mistakes are relying on cloth or old foil tape that fails over time, not supporting long flexible duct runs, which leads to sagging and pooling of moisture, and ignoring seams at boots and plenums that were never fully connected at installation. Fix tape failures by removing and resealing with approved mastic and mechanical fasteners. Add support straps every 4 feet for flexible ducts and raise them above wet surfaces, and resecure loose boots by refitting collars, screwing them in place and sealing with mastic. Another frequent issue is damaged insulation that conceals leaks and decreases system efficiency. Replace wet or torn insulation and ensure seams are sealed. Finally, some people attempt to snake or snake-like push ducts back into place without addressing underlying damage. If the duct has lost structural integrity, replace that section rather than patching a failing run. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips about ductwork and home comfort. We help contractors find work and homeowners find peers and professionals so we can all solve these problems together.